what's up? Good morning, and today we are going to make a mango ice cream. So let's go. Yeah.
Twelve seconds later. A few inches later. Meanwhile.
Okay, so ready na ang ato ang quarantine mango ice cream. So ato na siyang ibutang sa ref for about 4 to 6 hours or kung pwede overnight. So let's wait na lang for tomorrow or later this evening. Okay.
The next day.
Good morning guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today is pinakahihintay nating araw dahil titikman na natin yung mango ice cream na ginawa natin kahapon. So let's go. That's it, and please do subscribe, like, comment, and share my YouTube channel, and I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you. Bye bye.